Hi guys and welcome back to another video. In this particular video, I am making Gujarati mud and mirror work, which is also called Lipin art. So the material required are some mirror pieces, molded clay, which is actually 20 rupees a piece and easily available in your nearby stores, some Fevicol, acrylic paint, and a plywood piece. Now I'm taking a white color pencil to draw basic design using geometrical shapes. For the next step, I am taking molded and combining its both the components. Now using Fevicol, I am going to paste my molded on the plywood on the same patterns I have drawn with my white color pencils. Remember guys, use talcum powder so that molded doesn't stick to your hand. For this part you have to be really quick because the molded keeps on drying very quickly and it actually is a little bit difficult at the end to paste all the components. I have taken 3 packets of molded because it was a huge plywood piece. You can actually make patterns according to yourself. If you want to make it more fine, you can make it more fine. If you want to make some broad patterns, it's all up to you. Remember guys, keep washing your hands so that it is easy for you to work with clay, and use talcum powder so that your hand doesn't get too sticky or the patterns are more clear. Also, once I'm done pasting a particular pattern on the clay, I am dipping my finger into water and rubbing it on the clay so that the clay becomes smoother and there's a more smoother effect to the patterns. So once I'm done pasting all the elements on the plywood, I have left it for 3 to 4 hours to dry, even though the packet says leave it for 90 minutes, but I have left it for a little bit longer so that it is completely dry, as we are also using Fevicol. Once it is completely dry, we'll start painting it. For this particular art piece, I am using only single color, which is white, because it looks really good with mirror. But if you want, you can absolutely go with colors. You can paint different colors and different color combinations. But remember, when you are painting different colors also, give it a white base so that the colors look brighter and more clear. Because when you paint without giving it a white base, the colors come out really dull and the art piece won't be looking that beautiful. While I was painting, I have given this several coatings because it doesn't look that beautiful in single coating. So I gave it 3 to 4 coatings so that the white looks really neat and clean. So once I'm done pasting, here comes the most interesting part, that is pasting mirrors. I'm pasting my mirrors using Fevicol. Ta-da! It came out to look so beautiful, so pretty. Trust me, if you're gonna give it a try, you won't regret. Actually, my mother is obsessed with it. So if you like this video and if this video was useful for you, do like the video, share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching. Thank you.